Apple's recent Let Loose event has generated significant excitement with the unveiling of the new iPad Pro and iPad Air. However, amidst all the buzz, it's essential not to overlook the future of iPhones. Recent leaks hint at some exciting upgrades for the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro, particularly concerning its display technology. Let's delve deeper into these intriguing details. Brighter screen for the iPhone 16 Pro. According to reliable leaks from Instant Digital, Apple is planning a substantial enhancement to the brightness level of the iPhone 16 Pro's screen. The leaked information suggests a remarkable 20% increase, with the iPhone 16 Pro potentially boasting a typical brightness of 1200 nits, surpassing its predecessor, the iPhone 15 Pro. Potential upgrades and uncertainties. While previous iPhone models have achieved impressive brightness levels for SDR and HDR content, the prospect of the iPhone 16 Pro's improved brightness promises to elevate everyday browsing experiences. However, uncertainties remain regarding whether the larger iPhone 16 Pro Max will receive the same screen upgrade. Advancements in display technology. Rumors hint at the possibility of the iPhone 16 Pro featuring more power-efficient panels supplied by Samsung. This transition from blue fluorescent to blue phosphorescence technology could lead to improved energy efficiency. Additionally, there's speculation about a potential increase in display size, offering users a brighter and larger viewing experience. AI-powered features and iOS 18. Looking beyond hardware upgrades, Apple is gearing up to revolutionize AI capabilities across its devices. Reports suggest that the iPhone 16 series, alongside iOS 18, will introduce a wide array of AI-powered features. The M2 Ultra chip, renowned for its performance in high-end cloud computing, is expected to drive these advancements, ushering in a new era of intelligence on Apple devices. Privacy and server-based AI. Despite the focus on AI advancements, Apple remains steadfast in its commitment to user privacy. While some AI tasks will be processed directly on device to uphold privacy principles, others may tap into cloud resources. Apple's secretive ADC, Apple Chips in Data Centers, project aims to ensure user privacy even in server-based AI systems, aligning with the company's long-standing dedication to protecting user data. Overview of the iPhone 16 series. As anticipation builds for the iPhone 16 series, let's explore what each model has in store. From the standard iPhone 16 to the high-end iPhone 16 Pro Max, every variant promises significant upgrades in display technology, camera capabilities, and AI integration, offering users an enhanced experience across the board. With the iPhone 16 series on the horizon, Apple enthusiasts have much to anticipate. From brighter screens to advanced AI features, Apple is poised to deliver another groundbreaking lineup of smartphones. As we await further details and the official launch, stay tuned for more updates and insights. Don't forget to share your thoughts on these exciting developments in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for the latest news on Apple's upcoming releases.